And, aba. Ay pala. Another question that I get is, kababae mong tao.
Parang alam ko na yan,
Yung nag-apply, from the start na I applied my kasi mag-apply ka ng CWR, you don't need to, you don't need to talk to random people. So you just go to the NR and apply for CWR, and that's it. But when you apply for WFP, you need to talk to people. You need to talk to your barangay. You need to get your barangay no objection clearance. And you need to go to the HOA, homeowner. Pag naka-private subdivision ka, kailangan ng HOA.
Kailangan ng approval nila kasi other people in the subdivision might not be comfortable enough for you to have.
And that's normal.
Yeah, it's really normal. You have to respect them then.
And yung, alam mo, sabi ko, snake farm po. Ayun sabi nila, para saan? Snake farm po. Pakiulit, ahas po, ahas.
Bakit sa ganun dito pa?
Lagi sasabi, kababae mong tao. Ang dami-dami pwedeng alagaan. Bakit ahas pa? Pakialam mo ba?
Trip namin eh.
But hindi sana. It's always a thing na when it's a female, bakit yan? Diba? Pwede namang aso, pwede namang pusa, pwede namang butterfly. Bakit bad sila? I don't know. It's just that
I know how it started.
How?
Magkwento ako sa'yo.
So, alam mo?
I have a thought in mind na I've been thinking since you started having this business. Of course, I supported you naman.
Pero I think kahit di mo ko support, wala kang choice, anak kita.
Oo naman. Pero sinupport kita. Be grateful. Ang tawag dito. I think it started from the Huskies. Yung live chicken na pinapakain niya ganon.
Uy, ba't pati yun! Yeah, I really do raw feeding.
Kasi Kasi I know that's what I think how it started, you know. I think my mom likes the idea of, you know, the hunting, you know, something thrilling to see. I don't know.
In short, weirdo talaga ako.
Nakuha ko na rin yung sa kanya kasi I also had a husky after
Muffin.
Yes. Stop. Ayun. I had Muffin too. She was my first husky.
Mine is Freya.
Yes.
By the way, my name is not Freya. Stop calling me Freya, people. Freya is my first husky.
Yes. Nilagay niya lang yung name na yon because she really does love her first husky.
Yeah. She's my baby girl. Going back and then,
Ayan. So
ano connect ng raw feeding ko sa husky sa snake keeping?
Kasi it has the same thrill. You can see them. Kasi there's like still a difference, of course. Kasi iba yung the way how a husky eats and hunts to how a snake hunts and eats. So, but the thrill are the same. You like, you know, I feel like you like the thought of seeing them eat. Ganon.
Masyado mo namang ginawang brutal. Napaka-brutal itong tao. Gusto ni mama yung ako mapatay.
Nakita ko naman, ako na-enjoy ko nga. Sabi ko, ang cool naman nito.
That's all yun. I love, ever since I was a young girl, I grew up with my dad having 9 canines. Not just any dogs, but freaking Rottweilers. Ganito akong kalaki, 7 years old. My dad have 9 Rottweilers. My dad has a huge lot. Enclosure, and there was fucking 9 Rottweilers.
Pwede ka magmura?
Wow! O naman! Ako lang, hindi ikaw.
Hindi, alam mo, nagulat lang ako.
So going back.
Love you.
I love you. I love you, baby.
Diba?
I got 9, he got 9 Rottweilers, and then he got 1 Aspen, which is Trixie. And,
wait, what Trixie?
No, Trixie yung name niya. And then, I remember that they were never chained. The Rottweilers were never chained. They were freely roaming dun sa vacant lot. Of course, it was, you know, it was enclosed. Meron siyang harang or meron siyang gates. Yon, diba?
Fences, ganon.
Nawala sa sa bukabularyo ko, meron siyang gate. Harang, in short, pinasosyal mo pa. So, meron siyang harang. But they're free roaming. My dad was training them, you know. They were guards. Lalo na pag gabi, they're really free roaming. And there was this one time, siyempre naman sa Manila, kasi I grew up from the Bronx.
Me too.
I grew up in Tayuman, to be precise, is Yuseco Avenue. Tayuman, Blumentritt, Yuseco. Gitna yan. Tayuman, Blumentritt, Yuseco. And talagang hindi ka pwedeng, doon. Hindi ka pwedeng week doon kasi ang daming masamang lugar to.
Ay, Daddy.
Hoy, price ko yun! And then, dahil nga sobrang daming masasamang lugar, hindi masamang tama, but back on that time, may mga akyat bahay, tapos may mga snatcher, tapos tatakbo, tapos aakyat sa random na bahay, diba? And then I remember,
Akyat bahay niyo.
tumalon siya doon sa bakanting lote ng daddy. I remember my dad had 9 Rottweiler, 1 Aspin, diba? Those Rottweilers are not eating dog food. Never dog food. They don't eat tira-tira. They're eating the way. That's how I learned raw feeding from my dad. They're eating live food. Raw meat. So in short, they're trained. Diba? In short, nilapa. So, diba? For the akyat ng ganun.
Gusto niya pa kasi gawing PG eh.
Diba, mama ko for the akyat bahay ka, diba? Kunyari, hindi ko na matandaan eh. Kasi he could be a snatcher.
Kasi bata pa siya.
Diba, he was running away. And then, para magtago, umakyat siya dun sa fence ng daddy. Tapos, pagbagsak niya, it's like freaking 9 Rottweilers. Tapos, 1 Aspin, Trixie. And, di ba, nilapa-lapa siya, ganun, ang dami niyang bite marks everywhere, di ba? And, at the end of that, ang masakit doon, my dad had to pay the hospital bills.
Grabe.
Pero malapit kami sa San Lazaro, saka Jose Reyes. Sa mga public hospital yan. Siyempre, wise ang daddy. Ba't kita dadalhin sa Chinese? Kasi ang malapit sa amin, Chinese General Hospital, yun yung private, and then you have the public. Di ba? Dinala niya sa public. Jose Reyes ka lang, magnanakaw ka naman eh. But that's how I grew up. I grew up with big animals. Kaya, I have no issue with the small animals. Pero pag pinakitaan mo ko ng small, cute toy dog, was like, okay.
Okay. That's how I also got it from my mom. Kasi I got interested in, leopards. Diba? Sira ulo din ako.
Mama, pwede pa tayo mag-uwi ng leopard. Gusto ko tiger.
It's either leopards, owls, or...
Oh, I love owls.
Yeah, I know, right?
Birds of prey. Ayan. I love birds. Awit.
Ayan. That's how I got it from my mom then. A lot of my classmates asked me, what animals would you like to get? I always answer them, those two. It's either owl or leopard. Snow leopard, because I like white. Halata, di ba?
Yan.
From the bell to the cherry bomb to the snow leopard and white owl. Diba? Puro puti.
Weirdong pamilya and
yes. Feeling ko parang na-pass down yun sa generation.
Ganun talaga. Totoo rin naman yan. When you raise your kids, let's say for the keepers, yan sabi namin, teach them young. My dad taught me young in a bias way. Bias in a way na siguro ako, I'm teaching them biasly. We all have our biases. Even sa reptiles, I don't like small reptiles. Cute ones, I don't have the cute small ones. I'm not gonna name species, but anything cute, I don't have that. Simply because my eyes are not trained to them. My eyes are trained to big predators. And that's an animal for me. Ayon, predators, diba? But it depends. So when you teach your kids young to appreciate wildlife and teach them properly, you're teaching them to take care of the next generation. When we're all dead, these little ones are the next keepers. And why is it important? Hindi lang sa reptiles, they can give 35 years, 20 years, 25, 30, 35 years. If you get a tortoise, it's 100 years. So, somebody has to take over, basically. Rather than choice, but to take over my snakes and the animals and so on. But more than that is that we have to coexist. The animals, us, every species coexist. And if they don't understand that, if we teach them, papatayin mo yung ahas. Pag nakita ka ng ahas, patayin mo. Pag nakita iguana, patayin mo. Ganyan, salot yung mga reptiles na yan. Ganyan. Then, there will be an imbalance in our ecosystem. I always tell them that. Every single creature has a purpose. Kahit lamok has a purpose. They serve as food while they're kitikite sa mga fish. Diba? And we just have to coexist properly. And that's how you have to teach the kids. You don't have to teach them na kailangan mahalin mo, kailangan mag-keep ka. But as long as they understand that every single life is important. Although for me, andun yung bias ko na kapag something cute and small, pake ko dyan. Pero, doesn't mean that I will kill it. Of course not. I won't. It's just that
I find things that looks dangerous more fascinating, in short.
For me.
Yeah.
Yes. Kasi nga weirdo ang person. But that's how everybody has their own trip sa life. Lagi ko sabi yan. Even sa pagpili ng snakes, we all have our trip sa life. What's important is you're happy and the animal is happy. They're well taken care of. And you teach your kids, how to appreciate these animals. And definitely, hopefully in the future, right? It's far from impossible na maging normal yung keeping it. I mean, in every household, but you'll never know. Kapitbahay mo, may ahas.
Double meaning yun
Pwede.
And, meron akong
Meron kang kaibigang ahas? Alam ko.
Mama?
Ano mo sabihin yung name? Starts with letter?
Okay. Bulo na ako pa dyan eh. Wait lang. I forgot who asked me. Hindi ko alam kung sa teacher or classmate or friend, own friend, I don't know. Pero he or she, I don't know.
Basta,
they asked me, what was my first reaction? Was I scared, ganon, when I first ever held our first snake, like
Rhaegar.
si Rhaegar.
I remember that it was so small.
Yeah, I know. Oh, cute. No, I was looking back on the old pictures kasi. My first reaction, I wasn't scared kasi, I don't know, when I see my mom holding things already, I feel like it's already safe to hold kasi she knows how to handle it. So sabi ko,
Actually, I have no idea back then. I'm just
I don't know,
pretending.
because I was a kid. I was like really young. I don't know kung papakita ni mama yung picture na yun, pero I was really young back then. Tapos, my mom got our first snake ever. He looked very normal, actually.
He is normal, Gabo.
He is. Okay. Basta, he was a normal-looking snake. For any other person, it's really just like a normal snake natin. They won't mistake it for any, other snake na
Emerlu.
Emerlu, ganon. So, sabi ko, yung first reaction ko is nothing. I was like, parang I was odd. Kasi, ang cute ng snake, tsaka, ang liit niya, it's like balling up. Mamaya na yun.
Sige, tuloy mo. Another
one is, doon nga sa balling up, sinabi ko sa kanila doon, alam mo ba, do you know why ball pythons are called ball pythons? Sabi na, no.
Kasi nababounce sila like balls. Diba, anak ko, may nabatukan lang ako.
Ginagano mo din ako. Normal lang yun po. Hindi ko po siya in-abuse.
Kailangan mag-explain. Tapos?
Sinabi ko sa kanila, it's because ball pythons like to ball whenever they feel threatened or that's like their defense mechanism. Kinain mo na lahat, di mo man ako binigyan.
Sorry na, masarap ta.
Ayun. So that's what I told them.
When you teach your kids those things, they get to pass it to their classmates, to their teachers, to get curious. We're not hoping for them to join the hobby. Hopefully they would. Why not? It's a fun hobby.
It's like free.
But at least there's a spreading of awareness, diba? Little by little. And we just finished, almost done and almost finished. And that's it for today. We'll see you with another topic of mukbang question and answer. And we will see you soon.
Bye-bye! Mwah, mwah.